Today I will show you my house, my room, my wardrobe and my toys. This is a dining hall. This is the living room. He's my brother, she's my sister, that is my mom, and my dad is working. This is kitchen, the main part of the house. This is a bathroom. And this is my parents' room. This is my room. I will show you my wardrobe today. And I will show you what toys I have. So, this is my bib. I used to wear when I was a baby. It's B-I-B, bib. I also have baby suit, B-A-B-Y-S-U-I-T, baby suit. But now I have shirts too, S-H-I-R-T-S, shirts. These are my frocks, F-R-O-C-K-S, frocks. And then these are my shorts, S-H-O-R-T-S, shorts. And now these are my jeans, J-E-A-N-S, jeans. These are my skirts, S-K-I-R-T-S, skirts. Jackets, J-A-C-K-E-T-S, jackets. Now I will show you my collection of toys. This is my favorite section. Blocks, B-L-O-C-K-S, blocks. Next is ball, B-A-L-L, ball. And now this is my favorite toy. It's train, T-R-A-I-N, train. Plane, P-L-A-N-E, plane. And next is cars, C-A trucks. T-R-U-C-K-S, trucks. And these are robot toys. It's R-O-B-O-T-S, robots. These are my soft toys. S-O-F-T-T-O-Y-S, soft toys. Now there are few other things also. I'll just show you quickly. It's hat. H-A-T, hat. This is my shoes. S-H-O-E-S, shoes. Sandals. S-A-N-D-A-L-S, sandals. This is comb. C-O-M-B, comb. And next is hairband. H-A-I-R-B-A-N-D, hairband. And then slippers. S-L-I-P-P-E-R-S, slippers. And the last is socks. S-O-C-K-S, socks. It's over. I know you like my house, wardrobe and my toys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Next video on 17th January. Bye bye.